Members of the public are being asked to wear protective face masks if they are ill or among high-risk groups. This from the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Roshan Parasram, who advised that masks should be worn if it becomes necessary to leave the safety of your home. Khrystal Wilson reports.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram has noted national concern regarding wearing protective face masks. At Friday's Ministry of Health press conference, the CMO said while no one will be dissuaded from wearing a face mask, people who fall into high-risk groups should do so, especially if it becomes necessary to leave the house.
All persons who are ill, whether you are at home or otherwise, you should be wearing a mask. Persons within the high-risk groups, those who are elderly, have diabetes, hypertension, any of those illnesses, especially if you're going into supermarkets, public transport, markets, banks, you should be wearing a mask. It doesn't have to be a very high-tech mask, not N95, not even surgical mask. Some sort of simple mask can suffice.
Dr. Parasram said for health workers, there are specific guidelines regarding face masks.
All healthcare workers should be wearing a mask. Again, there are tiers of masks that we should be wearing. Persons who are wearing N95 are the frontline persons that would be doing invasive procedures. Your infection prevention nurses and departments will guide the physicians and have been training them as to which mask to wear when.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Terence Dayal Singh insisted that members of the public adhere to government's call to stay indoors. And for anyone displaying symptoms of being infected with the COVID-19 virus, the minister encouraged such persons to do the responsible thing.
If you don't go into a facility, you are condemning your family to death. And your question gives me the opportunity to say that. If you are reckless, you condemn your children, you condemn your parents, and you condemn your grandparents to death.
The health minister said it's not business as usual and reiterated that people need to take responsibility for their personal health and safety. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.